Hi students, welcome to Alphos e-learning program. Today we are going to discuss multiple and submultiple angles, which is the third chapter of trigonometry. First we have done trigonometric ratios and identities, later we did compound angles, now we are going to do multiple and submultiple angles. Now what is a multiple angle? A multiple angle is nothing but, suppose if you consider angle A, understand, if you consider angle A, then the integral multiples of A, that means it is 1 into A, 2 into A, 3 into A, etc. The integral multiples of angle A, whether positive or negative, these are known as multiple angles. And then what about here, submultiple? Submultiple means if you divide, that means A divided by 2 and A divided by 3, A by 4, etc. These are known as here submultiple angles. So these are multiple angles and these are here submultiple angles. Now while writing these formulae, that is sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, like this here it is an integral multiple of angle A, therefore it comes under multiple angle. So sin of 2a is what is the value, cos 2a what is the value again, tan 2a, etc. Let us see in this class. Students, now earlier you came to know about what is here sin of a plus b, understand, sin of a plus b. So what is sin of a plus b formula we are having? It is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. From compound angles we deduce this value, understand. Now from this one I am going to substitute angle b equal to angle a. So if I put b equal to a, then what about this value here, sin of a plus a. So this is sin a plus a, and here sin a cos a plus again cos a sin a. Got it students? So you got the value as sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, it is same, hence you got the value how much here, 2 times sin a into cos a. So this is the value you got, and left hand side we have sin 2a, okay. Therefore sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now in algebra actually if you are having, suppose you may understand in this way, isn't it, you may get doubt like this also, sin 2a, therefore you have taken 2 outside and thereby it is same as 2 sin a, then where is this extra cos a, understand. So don't get such type of silly questions, because sin is a function, whenever it is a function you cannot take the 2 value outside, understand. So this 2 you can't get outside, and it is from the concept of compound angles, twice the angle, that means we substituted b equal to a, thereby you got this kind of value. Therefore don't misunderstand in this way, that means here sin 2a is only 2, you have taken out 2 sin a, then where is that cos a extra, okay. So this is wrong, understand students. So understand here sin, cos, tan, etc. these are functions. So whenever they are functions we can't take them as outside. The word function you can go through again in coming concepts, one of the chapters is functions also. So students don't worry about all those, but till now you just go to these values, that is sin a plus b is this one, from that we got this value. Then the same value we got even in terms of tan also, understand. Here you observe while writing sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, there is no denominator at all, hence it is valid for each and every real number which is nothing but domain of both sin and cos functions. Whereas whenever a tan function is coming, what is a tan denominator, sin by cos, so cos is there always in the denominator. So other than sin cos, whatever other 4 trigonometric functions are coming, you should be so cautious about writing the domain values. That is important. Here only sin cos present, so it is true for all the real numbers. Whereas here whenever you got tan, always you should be cautious. What about here when this cos value is 0, okay, because in tan sin divided by cos. Now sin 2a even we can write in this way also. How we can write? Here I am multiplying and dividing by 1 cos A extra. Then it is 2 times sin A divided by cos A and into how much here? Cos square A. Okay. Now we want to write in terms of what actually? Tan value. Therefore, sin by cos you got already tan, but what about this cos square? So I am writing this as 2 times sin A divided by cos A and whole divided by, now it is secant square A, because cos square A is nothing but 1 by secant square A. Now this is equal to 2 tan A divided by how much? This secant square A, from identities concept it is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So you got 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now students observe, while writing these values we have taken one extra step. What is that extra step? We multiplied divided by cos A. Understand? So as you multiplied divided by cos A, therefore this cos A, as it is falling in denominator, therefore this must be always not equal to 0. Okay. When it is equal to 0, the total value will become undefined. That is why what is the necessary condition we should write? Whenever you are writing cos A in denominator, obviously here the extra care you have to take, that is, it is not true for all the real numbers, and hence here it is true only for real numbers which are not odd multiples of pi by 2. So this is the important point while writing the second formula, that is sin 2A in terms of tan. So what you got? Sin 2A value as 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now let us observe in the same way about cos 2A formula. So students, what is cos of A plus B? I think you remember very well. Cos of A plus B formula is equal to cos A cos B and minus, isn't it? Here plus means here you will get minus sin A sin B, right? And therefore here what we are substituting, wherever B is there, substitute as A, angle only. Okay. Therefore this is how much now? Cos A plus A, and this side you are having cos A, again what here? Cos A, minus this is sin A into how much again? Sin A. Okay. Then what is the value you got? Cos square A, and this side you have minus sin square A. So this is how much students? Cos 2A. Got it? So cos 2A you got cos square A minus sin square A. Now you observe here, whenever here you are having a plus symbol, it's nothing but our identity cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Now it is cos 2A. So whenever minus symbol is there, what is the formula you are going to get? It is nothing but cos 2A. Okay. Now from this one again, if I write this sin square A as 1 minus, it is cos square A, just using our identities only, not any new formula, our old identity 1 minus cos square A. Then minus into minus plus, it is cos square A. So you got 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. That is, this is the formula which is completely in terms of cos, whereas this formula is in terms of cos as well as in terms of sin. Now again here if I write this cos square A as 1 minus sin square A and minus 1, understand? Then 2 into 1, it is 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square A. Got it? So you got 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A, along with what? Cos square A minus sin square A. And these are only in terms of cos and sin, therefore A belongs to R, all the real numbers. Now let us approach again the formula which is coming in terms of tan function. So what about here in terms of tan means? Now students, let us write tan 2A. So cos 2A, the formula you got how much here? Cos square A minus sin square A. This is the formula we got. Understand? Now as we want to write in terms of tan, so first I am taking cos square A as common. Then cos square A, if I take common, 1 minus sin square A divided by cos square A. Observe here again, indirectly you are writing cos value in denominator. So when it will hold good? Only when cos A not equal to 0. That is the reason immediately you have to take condition. What is that? A must be not equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. So now this is 1 minus tan square A, and this cos square A we are writing secant square A. Got it, students? Cos square A equal to 1 by secant square A. Now what is secant square A value? It is 1 plus tan square A. Therefore this is how much here? 1 plus tan square A. So cos 2A you got how much? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So students, what is the condition here you have to adopt? It is A must be not equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. So this is the condition you have to observe, because we wrote in denominator cos value. So what will happen if it is odd multiple of pi by 2? It is undefined, and 1 minus undefined, again undefined by undefined, which is known as indeterminate. Okay, 0 by 0 indeterminate, as well as undefined by undefined also indeterminate, hence it is not a valid value. That is why we should write this extra condition. So whenever you are going to apply for sin 2A or cos 2A, the formula of tan, you should be cautious about that A value. It shouldn't be odd multiple of pi by 2. Now students, let us observe tan 2A value. Now what is our tan of A plus B formula? It is tan A plus tan B divided by how much? 1 minus tan A tan B. So now we are writing this formula. In the same way we are going to substitute B equal to A. Then what will happen? Tan 2A equal to, this side you will get 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Okay, this is the condition. Now again, as we said, A tan function is coming, therefore A should be here not equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. Not only here odd multiple of pi by 2, in previous cases you observe in denominator plus symbol, therefore 1 plus tan square A cannot be equal to 0. It is always a positive value, whereas 1 minus tan square A, it will be 0, implies A value is here any multiples of, that is integral multiples of pi by 4, especially odd integral multiples of pi by 4. Therefore if it is pi by 4, it will become tan 45 degrees 1 square 1. So 1 minus 1 0, numerator 1. So 2 into 1 2 divided by 0, which is undefined. Hence here, not only here like A value is odd multiple pi by 2, we are, however we are not taking, in the same way here not only this A value, even here 2A value also you have to consider. What is 2A means here? A not equal to odd multiple of pi by 4. 2 if you take down, it will become pi by 4. Hence here whatever positive or negative, because even power is there. That is why what you have to do is, however A values not only odd multiples of pi by 2, but the other condition is they are should not be equal to here odd multiples of pi by 4. Understand? Therefore we should write, while writing this formula, A as well as 2A both are not equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd number we refer as 2n plus 1, or you can use 2n minus 1 also. Understand? So now these are basic formula of multiple and submultiple angles. Then you may get doubt, what about cosecant 2A, what about secant 2A and cot 2A? If you take just the reciprocal values, you will get those values also. Now integral multiples, therefore we said these are multiple angles. Now observe here students, what is the actual meaning here? That means if I write suppose sin 60 degrees, understand, this is nothing but how much here? 2 into 30 degrees, okay, 2 into 30 degrees, known value first I have taken as example. Now this is your A, therefore you can write it as 2 sin 30 degrees into how much? Cos 30 degrees. This is A and this is A, understand. Now what is sin 60? Root 3 divided by 2. Understand? It has to balance, that means equality must hold good. To that purpose, why I am writing the values also, it is sin 30 means 1 by 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, so you got root 3 by 2 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Okay. So sin 60 means, what is our A in this problem? 60 we wrote as 2 into how much? 30 degrees. And this 30 degrees you have taken A. So this is 2A and this is 2 into 30 degrees. And thereby you got 2 sin A cos A. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 the known value, and here we wrote 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, you got root 3 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Now again suppose you have sin, other value I am taking, this is sin 54 degrees. Understand students? 54 degrees. Then how you can write exactly here, split in as 2 into 27 degrees. Okay, 2 into 27. Thereby it will become as 2 times sin 27 degrees into how much? Cos 27 degrees. Okay, sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. And these are even numbers, therefore easily I can split as a multiple of 2. Suppose it is given as sin, it is given 55 degrees. Understand students? 55. Then how I can write now, as there is no multiple of 2 here, what we do is here sin, I multiplied divide by here 2. Understand? So now this is your value. Okay. Then what is the answer you can obtain? 2 times sin 55 divided by 2 into how much? Cos 55 divided by 2. Understand? So here what is happening? To the angle you are dividing by an integer, therefore it became here submultiple angle. So not only for even numbers you can adjust, even if you come across with odd numbers also, just multiply divide by 2. Again same kind of concept you can adopt here. This is A here, again A here, that is sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Therefore sometimes not only this formula students, you can apply from the same result, sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. If I take this A value as, that is 2A equal to theta. Understand? 2A equal to theta. Then it will become sin theta equal to how much? 2 sin. What is A value? Theta by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 also. So in this way also you can remember the formula. Don't worry, here so many formulae are there. Just if you give a little bit attention on these formulae, you will find very easy. Understand? Only thing is you have to pay a bit of attention towards all these formulae. So sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Nothing new here, it is only from this formula. If you are unable to remember all this, just from this also you can deduce. So don't worry. Okay. So this is submultiple formula. So in this way, what about our submultiple formulae? First one is sin theta. I am writing in terms of theta. Okay, just to avoid the confusion. So this is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 for all values of domain. And next here in the same way, this is 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 under the domain conditions. And next value cos theta equal to, it is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Okay. And then from here in the same way, if I write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, and this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. And therefore again in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Under wherever tan is coming, students, you should be cautious about the domain values. Okay. So in the same way you can write even tan theta equal to how much? 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So students, these are formulae of submultiple angles. Wherever tan is there, again domain conditions we have to follow. Okay. So don't be panic while seeing these many formulae. As I told you already, by doing problems many times, that means so many problems if you kept on doing, then you will be thorough enough with all these formulae. So just don't be panic. Okay. Now let us see students here, what about some deductions you can observe from these formulae. So here I wrote sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, these are basic ones for this concept multiple and submultiple angles. Now let us observe what is sin 3a, okay, a multiple of 3. Don't worry, I am not going to do sin 4a, sin 5a, etc. all, okay. We are going to do sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, and now we are going to do sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, that's all, okay. Now sin 3a, what is this value? Sin of 2a plus a, okay, or you can write a plus 2a also. So now I am writing 2a plus a, then this will become, again using our concept of here compound angles, this is sin 2a cos a plus cos 2a sin a. Okay students, now I want to write this entire value in terms of sin, okay. In terms of sin means sin 2a formula just now we done, that is 2 sin a cos a, and into again here how much? Cos a plus cos 2a, as we decided to write all values in terms of this is sin value. Therefore cos 2a, you observe students, altogether 4 types of formulae. One is in cos sin, one is completely in cos, one is completely in sin, and one is completely in terms of tan. As we want to write in terms of sin, so I am selecting this formula among the 4, okay. So now cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a, and into how much here? Sin a, okay. Then what is the value here? 2 sin a into what? Cos square a, and next value plus multiply with this sin value here with 1, and next with this, that is plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a, okay. Now again you are having cos square a, okay. So we have to eliminate again this cos value and we write in terms of sin. To that purpose I am writing 2 sin a into what is cos square a here? 1 minus sin square a, or known formula, understand, and plus this is sin a minus 2 sin cube a, okay students. Then let us multiply here 2 sin a and plus this is sin a, therefore it will become 3 sin a. After that minus 2 sin cube a and minus 2 sin cube a, it will become minus 4 sin cube a, okay. Therefore you got sin 3a equal to how much? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So this is formula for sin 3a. In the same way, if you write cos 3a, that means in the same way if you write a plus 2a or 2a plus a, and by using this kind of formulae you will obtain as cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, okay. If it is coming 3 minus 4, now it is just ulta 4 minus 3, and cube value always before the cubic value you are having 4, and here also before the cubic value you have 4, because before here the first degree sin a you have 3, here also same. So same model formula, just you have to reverse it. Cos sin, that is 4 cos cube minus 3 cos, and this is 3 sin minus 4 sin cube. So what about then tan 3a, okay. So what is tan 3a now? Tan 3a equal to sin 3a divided by cos 3a, and if you convert completely in terms of tan, you will get 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a, okay students. So these are formulae for here sin 3a, cos 3a and tan 3a. Now students, here observe one thing very clearly. Okay, while writing sin 2a formulae or while writing the sin 3a cos 3a etc. formulae, you are observing here one of the conditions, that is whatever the left hand side angle, this left hand side if it is 2a, then the right hand side you are not getting 2a, understand, you are getting exactly half of that value. And next one, here 2a, again in the formula answer you are getting in terms of exactly half the value. Here also you observe this is 2a and these are half the angle. So angles are not same on left hand side and right hand side. Here twice means here you are getting exactly half that value. Here also you observe only a. So you should find here difference in angle. While doing identities, we wrote sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Understand? So whatever you are having left hand side angle, same you are having on right hand side also when we did this identity concept. Okay, whereas here it is not like that. Understand? So 2a here, a value, here 2a, and observe in answer you are getting exactly half of that value. And here these are multiples of 3, understand, 3a, and then it is exactly 1/3 of that angle. Here also 3a, 1/3 of that angle, as well as in tan 3a formula also. So these are the main formulae students, that is in terms of 2a and in terms of 3a. Now let's do deductions from this formulae. So students observe sin 2a cos 2a. Here let us take first 2 sin a cos 2a, these 3 formulae. I am not writing here tan values. And now these are the 3 deductions which we have to follow now. Okay, let us see sin a cos a tan a from this sin 2a cos 2a formulae how we got. Okay, now you know sin this cos 2a value. What is cos 2a formula? It is 2 cos square a minus 1, and the other one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay students, now I am sending this minus 1 to this side, then it will become cos 2a plus 1 equal to how much? 2 cos square a. Okay, then cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a whole divided by how much? 2. Okay students, so cos square a value you got this one. Now you got another formula for cos square a. What is another formula for cos square a? It is 1 minus sin square a. Understand? Now what is the difference? That means you may get doubt where to apply cos square a, this formula and this formula etc. So here you observe a means this is again in terms of a only, whereas here a means here you got how much? 2a. Okay students, so therefore whenever you don't want to change angle in the problem, proceed with the old formula 1 minus sin square a. But if at all you require any change in the angle, especially a multiple of 2, then you have to make use of this formula. Here a, here you got how much? 2a. Suppose I want to know about cos 22.5 degrees, understand? You know cos 45, and after that we found even 15 degrees etc. also. Now suppose I want to find here the value of 22.5, then cos square 22.5 degrees. If I use this formula, is there any benefit? 1 minus you will get how much here? Sin square 22.5. I don't know even sin 22.5 also. Okay, that's why you won't get any information if you use this formula. Then if I write here this formula, it is exactly twice that of a. What is a here? This a is nothing but 45 degrees divided by 2. Understand? Then 2a means what? 45, and you know what is cos 45. That is the reason why we are using this formula, because you want here a known angle. So the known angle you can obtain only by using this kind of formula. So this is here 2 into this is 45 by 2, okay, whole divided by 2. Now this 2 get cancelled. Now you can write here cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. So 1 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 2. Therefore, how much you can get now? It is equal to, that is cos square 22 and half is equal to how much now? It is root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay students, so in this way you got, after taking LCM, root 2 again, 2 here, so 2 root 2. This is which value here? Cos square 22 and half, understand? Now what is our requirement? Cos 22 and half. So to obtain cos 22 and half, I will take here square root again. So if you take square root, what is the value? Plus or minus under root of root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now what is 22 and half? Acute or obtuse? It is acute angle, and cos acute angle always what? Positive. So in plus or minus, now it is just sufficient to take only plus symbol, no ambiguity here, that is plus or minus etc. Clearly you know this is the angle which is less than 90 degrees, therefore only positive value. Okay, in the same way you can deduce here sine value also. And what is in terms of radians? 22 and half, 45 by 2, understand? 22 and half is nothing but, students, what is the value here? It is nothing but this 22 and half is 45 degrees divided by 2, and 45 by 2 means you know 45, that is pi by 4, and divided by 2, therefore it is pi by 8. Hence here 22 and half in terms of radians means it's nothing but pi by 8. Therefore cos pi by 8 value you got how much? Under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Of course it won't repeat many times, that's why not necessary to by heart this formula, just like our cos 15, sin 15 etc. Those are must and should, whereas this one you can use deducing this one, or else you can use multiple submultiple concept. Okay. Now let us see here the formula for sin also. Now cos 2a we used just now with other formula, that is 2 cos square a minus 1. Now I am using 1 minus 2 sin square a, okay. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. So now students, if I use this formula, then sin square a or 2 sin square a equal to how much it is? 1 minus cos 2a, okay. So this is the value. Now let us divide by 2, therefore sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a whole divided by 2, understand? So you got sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Again here also, if at all you want any other values, suppose I require 7 and a half, understand? 7 and a half means what? 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 if I put, and 2 into 15 by 2. So 15, cos 15 known value we can substitute, and in that way you can find here some values which here 2a value you know, but a value you don't know, then you can make use of this formula. And if at all you don't want to use any change in the angle, then aram se you can use the formula, our old one, that is 1 minus cos square a. So this is your a angle, and here this is your a angle, no change at all in the angle, whereas here a means what you are getting? 2a. So whenever you want to change the angle, use this formula, and you don't want any change in the angle, then better use this kind of formula. Okay students. So students, now you observe here, this is the sin a formula, cos a formula, just now we deduced. So plus or minus, when a is here, acute or belonging to whatever quadrant, here you can use the corresponding plus symbol or minus symbol. Here also same. And now what about tan? Here it's nothing but exactly sin a divided by cos a. Then this is 2 get cancelled, so you got this kind of formula. Understand students? So like this here, sin square a, cos square a, tan square a, or sin a, cos a, tan a, these are one of the important formulae. Okay. So here this formula, that means what we are adding extra students here, sin square A equal to how much? It is 1 minus cos 2A divided by 2, or you can use 2 sin square A. Here observe, this is A and this is 2A, and 2 cos square A. What is the formula? It is 1 plus cos 2A. So this is twice the angle and it is A. So now these are some formulae in addition to sin 2A, cos 2A, etc. Now students, again some deductions from the same kind of formulae. Earlier you know about the values of sin to the power of 4A plus cos to the power of 4A. Understand? From where you got this one? In identities long back we deduced, okay. This formula, that time we deduced as 1 minus how much? It is 2 times sin square A into cos square A, okay. So this is the deduction you got earlier. Now I want to write not only this formula, which is exactly no change in angle, same angle here you are getting. Sometimes we require change in angle also, then I can make use of the first formula, that is sin 2A is how much students here? 2 sin A cos A. So that you can use here 1 minus, it is 2 sin A cos A. So I am multiplying and divide by 2. Therefore here you will get 4 times sin square A cos square A. Hence it is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2 times sin 2A whole square, that is sin square 2A. Therefore sin power 4A plus cos power 4A. In addition to this formula you got which other value? 1 minus half sin square 2A. And next one we have sin to the power of 6A, okay, sin power 6A plus cos to the power of 6A. What is this value? We know it is exactly 1 minus 3 times sin square A cos square A, okay. So this is the value, and then if you multiply divide by 4, because we want to write exactly like this. So here there is no 4 value, so we multiplied divided by 4, and hence you got this value. Now what is 4 sin square A cos square A? It is sin 2A whole square. Therefore you got here 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2A. Understand students? Therefore what are formulae you got here? This is not only in terms of A angle, but you got in terms of 2A angle also. 1 minus half sin square 2A, and this one is 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2A. And next students, one other important value also, just like this only. Here sin power 4 both are same, and here also both are same, okay. Suppose sometimes we require sin square A plus cos to the power of 4A, okay, sin square A plus cos to the power of 4A. This is one of the important expressions which we come across in many other concepts like extreme values, trigonometry, periodicity, etc. And see here the magic is, this is the same as sin to the power of 4A plus cos square A also. Both are one and the same. Understand? I am just interchanging powers, okay. So you observe how you got both the values are one and the same. Now suppose here I am taking sin square A as 1 minus our old formula cos square A plus this is cos to the power of 4A. Then from these two I am taking minus cos square A common, so that it is becoming as 1 minus cos square A. Hence what is the value? 1 minus cos square A into what is the value here? Sin square A, okay. Now in the same way here also I am proceeding, that is sin power 4A, whatever power 4 we are keeping as it is, whether here or this side. Now this cos square A I am writing 1 minus sin square A, okay students. Now from these two, which value will take common here? It is nothing but 1 minus sin square A common. Then if you write, it is 1 minus, what is the value here? Sin square a, okay, minus sin square a this value, and then minus into minus plus sin power 4, okay. Now what is this again? 1 minus cos square a, sin square a same as here students, cos square a, okay. That means finally whether you take in this way or in this way, what is the value you got? This one and this one, both are one and the same, okay. That is why this is one of the important equations in trigonometry, and not only in trigonometry, they use in calculus also. So square here, 4 here, understand, same values, just even if you interchange also, the answer remains the same. What is the answer? 1 minus cos square a sin square a. Why I am giving here itself? Because as it is useful in many other chapters also, therefore you can use this one as formula 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a, okay. So what is the difference? Earlier you proved cos to the power of 4a plus sin to the power of 4a. What is our formula? 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a, okay. Here the same value, but you are not having the number 2. Both are 4, here you got 2. Whereas here 1 is 2, 1 is 4, you are not getting 2 value here. Now students, here I am just multiplying, dividing by 4, okay. So as to write in terms of that sin 2a formula. Now 4 sin square a cos square a. So what is the value? 1 minus 1 by 4 sin 2a whole square. So sin square 2a. Got it? So altogether we got in terms of sin square 2a 3 kinds of formulae. What are those? This one, and next both are sin power 4 plus cos power 4 and sin power 6 plus cos power 6, okay. Now here if angle A value remains same, then you can just make use of this formula. But if you want here change in the angle, then you have to make use of this formula, okay. That is the only observation which you have to follow while doing this kind of formulae, okay students. So students observe here sin 2a cos 2a tan 2a formula, and from those you got here sin square a value, it is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. If you want to write sin a, then it is nothing but plus or minus under root, and the old formula is what here? It is same as 1 minus cos square a, okay. And this is here angle remains the same, whereas here angle is how much? Twice that of given value, okay. And next one cos square a, this is cos 2a, twice the angle, and this one is here now known formula 1 minus sin square a, okay. And then tan square a, it is sin square a divided by cos square a, it is 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Now sin power 4a plus cos power 4a same as cos power 4a plus sin power sin square a. That means just interchange these two values, then also the value remains the same. It is usual formula is how much actually to this one? 1 minus sin square a cos square a. When there is no change in angle, you can write it as just 1 minus sin square a cos square a. No change in angle as it is a value. And if at all you want to write twice that of, then you can observe 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2a, okay. And then both the values are here 4 and 4. Then this is our known value from identities. Then here we deduce just now in terms of 2a. So this is here underline here 2a, and these are only in terms of a, okay. These are in terms of a. And next one sin power 6a plus cos power 6a. These are just in terms of a, and here also no change in the angle, whereas here change in the angle is 2a, okay students. So these formulae, these are very important for coming chapters, okay. Trigonometry, whatever we are doing, don't understand here only they will give some problems and some marks, after that I not able to follow, so I can go for other chapter. Don't think in that way, okay. However, we require water while eating food or after food. It is a part of our life. The same way, part of science is nothing but trigonometry. Okay. So, without trigonometry, don't think about any other physics or maths further. That means higher mathematics or higher level physics also. So, these are all basics, just it is only practice, students, do not worry about all these. Okay. As I told you, do not be panic by seeing all the formulae. If you keep on practice, that is while doing problems, these only repeat many times. That is why better just on a chart write all these formulae with simply color, sketch pencils, etc. put just before your bed, and thereby every day if you practice, it is very easy. Okay. Only in the beginning you feel, after that just 1 or 2 months later students feel very easy about all these. They do not have okay trigonometry fear, not like that. Okay. So, now these are few formulae we are having, students. Now after this again some other deductions. Understand? Suppose if I write cot A plus tan A. Okay, cot A plus tan A. We know cot A into tan A is 1. Now this is cot A plus tan A. What is the value? Now if I put here, this is cos divided by sin. Cos A divided by sin A, and this is plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay. Then if you take LCM, what is the value? Cos square A plus how much it is? Sin square A divided by this is cos A and into sin A. Okay. Now cos square A plus sin square A is nothing but 1. So 1 divided by sin A cos A, and now let us multiply divide by 2. Then 2 divided by 2 sin A cos A. What is 2 sin A cos A, students? It is nothing but sin 2A. Therefore 2 divided by how much you got? Sin 2A, and 2 by sin 2A we can write simply, it is nothing but 2 times cosec 2A. Okay. So cot A plus tan A formula is nothing but 2 cosec 2A. So whenever you are having here angle A, how is your answer coming? In terms of 2A. Okay. So 2 cosecant 2A. Now students, let us do cot A minus tan A also. So what is cot A minus tan A? In the same way we proceed, cot A minus tan A, the same way, that is cos divided by sin, or you can write 1 by tan also. So suppose if I write this is cos A divided by sin A, and this one is minus sin A divided by cos A, known values only. Okay. Now let us take here LCM, that is cos square A minus what? Sin square A divided by sin A cos A. Now what is in numerator? You have cos 2A. Okay, we deduce the formula, numerator is nothing but cos 2A, and denominator is what? It is multiplying, dividing every time. Don't do like that. Whenever sin A cos A, simply try to write it as half of sin 2A. Okay, because what is sin 2A? 2 sin A into cos A. So 2 get cancelled, therefore you got half sin 2A. Now this half 1 by half means it is 2 times. Therefore you got the value as cos by sin, therefore it is cot. So you got cot A minus tan A, how much, students? It is nothing but 2 cot 2A. Therefore cot A plus tan A is 2 cosecant 2A, and cot A minus tan A equal to, here how much you got? 2 cot 2A. Okay. So these are another deduction. So again here angle is A, and these are here 2A. Okay. So these are few formulae which we have discussed. For all of them, the basic formula are nothing but sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. These are the basic formulae. Whatever deduction you are doing, those deductions completely based on these formulae only. So nothing to worry about all those. I am telling you again, just be practice, and then you will be feel very easy. Okay.